Hadley, did you roll yourself over under the crib? Now that Hadley's rolling all around, she ends up in the funniest places. Hadley, what if I just left you under there? Could you get out? Should I come help you? I don't even think you can turn under there. How'd you get there? Does that mean help me, please? I'll help you. Gonna stop filming this and help my daughter.